What's up guys, welcome back to Crypto Brothers. Today we're gonna speak about Bitcoin market, top 3 ICO projects on a radar, and you'll have a unique opportunity to watch our live participation in ICO project on the example of Origo Network. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. As you can see, the price continues to decline, and here we are very close to the bottom line of the global Bitcoin trading range. We have two possible scenarios. If the price breaks the support level, then we expect the Bitcoin dominance to increase, and altcoins will continue to decline faster than Bitcoin, and it's quite bad for us. And the second one, if the support level holds the price, then we expect the Bitcoin dominance to go down and our altcoin bet to give us great gain.
And I would like to remind you that we are still below the 50% Bitcoin dominance level.
And just to let you know guys, if we reach a level of 5,000, so we will start to place buy orders starting from that level to 4,500.
And now let's have a look on some tweets. And the first one is about the SEC has postponed its decision on the Bitcoin ETF. And actually we were predicting that scenario. We think that SEC will make its decision only in spring of 2019, and today it's more likely the main reason of such a fast Bitcoin price decline. And second one, I think most of you guys have already seen that picture, and as one of the influencers says, we are already in the point number 7 if we compare these two charts, and after that point the hugest bull run should start.
So let's move further to our top 3 ICO projects. They are Harmony, MultiVAC, and Ankr network. Let's start from MultiVAC. We have posted in our Telegram channel what you should do about MultiVAC project. So admins said it would help to get an allocation. So you need to join 2 Telegram channels, the community channel and
announcement
channel. Also you have to join their Medium and Twitter. Let's move further to Harmony project. Here you just need to join Telegram Harmony 1.
But it's only the rumors, so nothing
definite. And let's go ahead to Ankr network. It's still, the whitelist in this project is still open, so guys, don't forget to get whitelisted.
Now I will continue with 2 more ICO projects. The first one is Origo Network, and its crowd sale is ongoing. Let's try to take a part in it. First of all, we need to enter our whitelisted email address and to check if we are eligible to participate. Then we need to agree with their terms and conditions, and as we can see, the maximum personal hard cap is 2.5 Ether. Let's move further. Here we have their crowd-sale smart contract address. Let's check if it's not a scam address. Yes, it's not a scam because there is already 3000 Ether on it, and we can see that a lot of transactions are coming. Okay, now let's open my other wallet website. I would like to recommend you to use some bookmark, because if you try to find it in Google, you can find some scam address. Okay, now send Ether and tokens. I use MetaMask, so I choose connect to MetaMask. Most of other people use JSON files, so you can use this option. Here I just paste crowd sale address, and here I put 2.5 Ether, and let's check current gas prices. You can click here, and as you can see, Ethereum network is a bit overloaded now, and we have to pay 61 gas price. So 61 gas, and let's generate transaction and send it. Let's recheck address. Yes, it's correct. So we are good. Now, while we are waiting for our transaction to come, I will speak about the DxChain project. So I would like to remind you that we decided to skip it, and as we predicted, it falls below its ICO price, and now it reached its ICO price again, but I don't think it will last for a long time. So we are quite happy with our decision. Our transaction was successful, and now let's check if everything is okay. Let's go back to the Origo Network website, and here you can check your transfer status. Let's paste our wallet number here, and now we can see that everything is okay, and we have successfully transferred 2.5 Ether.
Guys, we are always open to your questions. Don't hesitate to ask anything you want to know. We will definitely answer you as soon as possible. And do not forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel, to our YouTube channel, and ask your question, smash the like button, leave your comments, do whatever you want, just show us your activity, and see you on Crypto Brothers.